Hi there, Wessex Blades. The hours are counting down to the Sharp Show tomorrow. I'm at the stage where I've managed to get things so I can do a little bit of filming. So I've got a little knife here that'll be available. So that is a Guinevere, that sort of size, with a black leather sheath. I suppose for anybody not really aware of me, because most of the times on the Sharp Show and knife shows in general I'll be filming, because I've never been able to attain a table full. This is the first year I'm exhibiting at a knife show like this, so I have sort of 10 knives available, which is more than I've ever really been able to accrue without trying to keep up with customers. So thanks to all my patient customers for giving me a bit of grace again. So I've held back on some orders in order to progress and get to the stage where I've got a box full of knives. Never been able to do that before, so looking forward to it tomorrow, meeting up with everybody. But most of the time anybody will see me at a knife show, I've got a cannon in front of me. So I'm going to be the other side of the table. I've got a few ferro rods. I've got one special, a show special there, which will be there. I've got a sort of knife block and another one over there for knives, ferro rods to go in. And then I have, this is the difference. Okay. Never been able to do that before. So looking forward to meeting everybody tomorrow. As you come in, I'm the far right hand corner, F17. That's me in the corner. I will have a little display cabinet, some Leukus, those Merlin Galahads, a few other ones as well, and a big load of ferro rods, which people have little mementos of the thing. I'll be selling them for a tenner. So you can have a little token thing to go away with you that you can use. But big hi to everybody. Here we go. Sharp Show 2023, Wessex Blades actually exhibiting. Only took a decade.